Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get a weather predictions or weather informations on your lock screen. So to do that, you just need to open the settings application, and right after you open the settings, just scrolling down until you found wallpaper. And right after you found the wallpaper, just go click to open it. There will be like informations, the current wallpaper that you use. So there will be like two options. This one is for your lock screen and this one is for your home screen. So since we want to have the weather informations on our lock screen, now you just need to focus on the lock screen part or on the left side. Now you just need to go with this customize. And now to get the weather information, you just need to add the widgets. Go click them and go click this. You need to find this one. Go click it. And now you already got the informations of the weather of today. So go click X and go click done, and the process is just finished. So that's the way how to get weather information or weather predictions on your lock screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.